idea of doing this conclave and such initiatives is to build a leader in you. And our success and belief of National Charity Network is that to realize our own true potential. And to do that, we organize various activities, and this was one of the collaborative activities which we have done together. And we say that दो और दो का जोड़ हमेशा चार कहाँ होता है, सोच समझ वालों को थोड़ी नादानी दे बोला. So power of collaboration, more you explore, more you will find value in it. And the way our two friends, my very dear friends Avdesh and Shakun, and all the previous speakers, they have given their heart and soul, because these are not 10-15 minutes with you. This is our interaction with our own future. And that's why they were so fixed on the idea that ask relevant questions. Questions which will shape your life. So as I said, the leader in you, which you want to invoke, which you want to provoke, I'll request my friends from Nirmal University to join us on this stage, please. Can you read with them what's there? I am a leader. May I request all of you to kindly rise and say 5 times this with all of us. Please rise, all of you, because you all are leaders. I am a leader. 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 Thank you very much. Thank you, friends. Now, you have required and you have acquired all the skills, all the knowledge, everything you have. And my thoughts have been shared as closing remarks. So my closing remarks are like, there are few pointers. Pointers is, if you are not healthy, will you be able to contribute with best of the knowledge, best of the skills? Can you contribute? So to be a wonderful professional, you have to be healthy. Physical health and mental health. I'm not talking about spiritual health here as of now, though all my friends, we interact always and we know how important it is. So ensure that you use all the facilities provided in the school to make you physically and mentally agile and healthy. And beyond in your life, because today most of you, your parents must be hale and hearty, less responsibilities. As you grow in life, your social responsibilities will also grow. So make being healthy a habit. And whatever pointers I'll share because of my own experience which I've got in this life. Second point. Plan your career for at least 30 to 40 years, whether you are going to, because I'm aware there are 60 students who are from the entrepreneurial cell also who are part of this gathering. Even if you plan your business, plan for at least 30-40 years of professional contribution to the society. Your problems are leaving job 2 years in a row, 6 months, 5 years will go. Because then you know that until unless you contribute, you fail, you succeed in your projects, you are not learning anything, you are just adding years. And I, somebody who leads the competency framework of NHRDN, I will not hire you. Or Avdesh, will you hire them? If they are not, they are leaving their jobs in 6 months. How about you? Shakun will also not. So you have to give years to your organization, to projects, and you fail and live with it. Succeed and live with it. Okay? Third point. Your ability to learn and unlearn is very, very important. So it's very important to learn as well as unlearn. It will help you very, very engaged in life. And as Shakun talked about mindfulness, I'll say use your full mind. So brain has two parts, logic, creativity. The world has come to a stage where everybody expects you to use your full mind, your logic as well as your creativity. One of them will not help you if you want to grow as a leader in your life. Next point is respect and communication, which builds trust. Do a simple exercise. Think the person sitting next to you is your enemy. He or she thinks and does worst for you. Just think for a moment. 5 seconds. And look at that person. What kind of hormones are secreted in your body? Another perspective. Think the person who is sitting next to you is your best well-wisher in the world. If you are in water, deep water, he or she will jump and take you out. 5 seconds. What kind of feelings, emotions you have in mind, you only know. You can experience it well. So this respect and communication for each other, with each other, will help you a lot in building very wonderful relationships, professional as well as personal. Last perspective, you did everything. How many of you have heard Rajat Gupta? He had everything. Wonderful person. But he faltered somewhere. Integrity and values. Sail as much as you can in life, as far as much you can do in life. But your anchor in life has to be integrity and values. Don't change your anchor. The moment you change your anchor, does not matter 40 years of valued career you made, but it will just go like that in a moment. And friends, as you all have done a lot in your life, for me you are not just students. For me you are somebody who has done their 10th, then 12th, then graduation, and you are here in a wonderful institute, ready to contribute to the society. So definitely become a part of National HRD Network. If you are not a member, take our membership. We have our annual conference in Bombay. Join us there. You will find wonderful set of human beings. Not because they are from a fraternity, but they are wonderful human beings. So with this, thank you so much, Nirma University. Wonderful friends here from the university, speakers, each one of you. It was a privilege to be